As you can see, it's your girl Kawera. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, share, and don't forget again to comment there down. So guys, my first shopping ya fridge yangu. My first shopping. Let's open with you guys. So guys, this is my another shopping. The first shopping for my new fridge. Come on, open with me. Guys, hata ikike hata si shopping mingi guys. It's not that big, but I thank God for it. Let's open guys. We got a bread. Oh, goodness. We got a juice for my new fridge. We got another juice for my new fridge. Oh, what else? Small shopping for nikipika mchele ikibaki naika kwa fridge. Hey. Mafuta ya kupika chakula ya kuweka kwa fridge. That's what I got. Big one. Aish. Oh, savannah pineapple. Wow. Shopping imeisha guys. Hata sikuwa na shopping mengi. Hii hata haijafika 3K guys. Angalia. My new shopping for my new fridge. My new shopping for my new fridge. Just really. For my new fridge. For my new fridge. Oh. For my new fridge. Na mchele nikipika isibaki. Oh gosh. Guys, don't forget, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment there down. And as you know guys, nataka kuanzia kuwaletea vitu moto. Team Kawera, tufikieni 5K before tuanzie. Guys, I want to bring you hot content. Please, don't forget to subscribe the channel, press there down, comment and share the live. Team Kawera na wapenda. Bye. As you can see, nana shopping yenye nimefanya. Video nimefanya guys. Nana shopping nimefanya ya nini? Ya vitu za kuweka kwa fridge, zingine nikipika kama mchele naweka kwa fridge. You see?